Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain the difference between AutoML and ML. We will explain ML separately in next video and also AutoML because AutoML have the process of machine learning, but that is an automated process. So that is called AutoML. And in machine learning you can do the things by yourself, by your choice. But automated ML, they're doing, you are making this an automated process, and the process is doing automatically when you provide some data and you can get output. So I will explain briefly about ML and then about AutoML. You can see that in machine learning normally, or in the data science process, you need to define the problem, set your objectives, and then you need to collect the data according to those objectives and those and their problem statement, and particularly about those objectives. That's depends what type of variable, which type of data, and how much data you need for that. So you need to collect the data, and then you need to process the data. That's include process and transformation of the data. That include data cleaning. Maybe you can do some feature selection, feature engineering, and that's we usually do in data science and as well as in machine learning. So you need to do that by yourself, and then you need to train the model and test and evaluate the model. So you need to do all this process. Uh, each step separately. You are doing these things, and then evaluate the model. I have done this video on these each of these steps separately. So you can go to the playlist the data science process, and you can watch those videos to know about each of these steps. And then you evaluate the model, and then you perform this final task, deploy the model. I have not done the video on this. I will have a video on this. Also, I will have a video on AutoML separately and explain all the steps, which, as you know, they're doing automatically. Then you evaluate the model, deploy the model for whatever purpose you set in your objectives. Like that can be prediction, that can be classification, or that can be time series analysis, and any other purpose. So you can do like that. So you can do these steps, individually. You can do these steps separately. While in AutoML, so let's see what is mean by AutoML. So you can just Google it. AutoML stand for, you can see this automated machine learning. AutoML, automated machine learning. AutoML, automatic model selection, automated model training, AutoML frameworks. So this means that these steps, this process is doing automatically. You can see. You need to define the problem and then collect the data and AutoML. All these steps, they are doing automatically. So this is a clear difference. So these steps you are doing, of course, you need to define the problem. That's, I will say, you need to do that in any way. In both cases, you need to do that. Cannot be happen automatically. And then the collection of the data, you need to collect the data. That can be questionnaire, that can be climate data, crime data, or whatever. So you need to do that. But this process, the process when you start from data process and until evaluate the model, and then the end you can get the output of the model. So this process can be done in AutoML, automated machine learning. You can do this in maybe Python or MATLAB or any other language. You can do this process, make it automatically. This will work automatically. When you are just enter the data, all this process can be done automatically. So this is all about the difference between automated machine learning or AutoML. You can learn, you can see this, you can listen this, oftenly AutoML. So this is what about AutoML is. We will have a video about AutoML in detail, and we will explain all these steps in detail as well. And of course, I will have a video on ML and separately for different machine learning algorithm as well in the coming days. So I think this is enough for today. And if you have any question, please write in the comment section. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Ciao.